I just want to talk to you about something that's been on my mind. It's simple but powerful, and honestly, something most of us struggle with. It's about how we give our time away. Like how much of it we give to other people without even thinking on, without even realizing it. You ever stop and ask yourself, where is my time going? Maybe you're constantly saying yes to calls, yes to favors, yes to hanging out, yes to helping out. Even when deep down you want to say that big no. And then by the end of the day, you feel drained, frustrated, and honestly, like you're living someone else's life. I've been there. I know we all have been there. But here's the thing I want you to hear this loud and clear. Your time is precious. Your time is yours. And it's not free. And it's not something you should give away just because someone asked. You are not obligated to drop everything every time someone needs something. Let's be real. Helping others is really great. We all want to be supportive, kind, available. But that doesn't mean you have to give your time away for free, especially if it's at the cost of your own life, your goals, or your peace of mind. Why is this such a big deal? Because time is one thing that you can't get back. Money, sure, you can earn more. A job, you can change it. A relationship, maybe fix it or walk away. But time, once it's gone forever. So when you say yes to something that doesn't serve you, it's like taking a piece of your life and handing it over without even thinking twice. And guess what happens? When you keep doing that, you start feeling overwhelmed. You lose track of what's important. You lose track of what's like really matters to you. You feel like you're always tired. And worse, you feel like people expect you to always to be available. Like it's your job to fix everyone else's problems. That's really exhausting. And it's unfair. And honestly, it's not what you deserve really. So, what's the solution? How do you protect yourself without becoming cold or distant? It's actually pretty simple. Start by asking yourself one question, like before saying yes to anything. Is this something that actually helps me or helps my goals, or like gives me something that keeps me moving forward, or gives me some like peace of mind, or it should like it doesn't need to be positive, but it doesn't need to be negative. It shouldn't create negative impact on you. It might not create positive impact, but it shouldn't create negative impact on you. Okay? If it doesn't, it's okay to say no. Yes, you heard me. It's okay. Saying no doesn't mean like you're like a bad person. And you will never be a bad person for setting boundaries. You are not selfish for protecting your time. You can always say, I care, but I can't right now. That sounds important, but I need to focus on something else. I'd love to help, but I need to take care of myself first. You don't need to explain yourself to everyone. You don't need everyone to understand because not everyone can understand you. And you don't need that. A simple, honest response is enough. And what happens when you start protecting your time? You feel lighter, you feel more in control. You actually have time for what matters to you. Imagine if you block off even an hour every day just for yourself, like for your time to learn, to exercise, to reflect, to plan. And that's how you start building the life you want. It's not about shutting people out, it's about saying yes only when it's right, not just because someone expects it. You deserve to work on your dreams. You deserve to rest when you need it. You deserve to feel proud of how you spend your time, not exhausted and drained. And how you can do this? You can do this by writing down what's really important to you. What are the things that actually matters to you? Work, family, health, personal growth, whatever it is. Keep those front and foremost priority. Before saying yes to anything, take a second to breathe. Ask yourself how this is going to impact you, how it will align with your priorities. And next thing is start. Learn to say no. A big no whenever you don't feel like doing it, whenever you don't want to go there, whenever you just don't feel like being in the mood to go to a party, just say no. Just learn to say no. It feels weird at first, but the more you say it, the easier it gets. Trust me, learn to say no. That's how you protect yourself. Truly and truly, this is very important. You're teaching yourself and others that your time is valuable. Don't wait for free moments. Okay, like I'll do this when I get my free time. Actually, you have your own free time, but you're giving to someone else. That's where your time is lost. So don't wait for those free moments. Create space in your day, specifically for the things you love and you need at most. Block it out like it's a meeting that you can't miss. Prioritize yourself just like you always do. For your money and care your money. And you are not here to fix everyone. You are not here to be available for every request. You are here to live your life on purpose. You will feel guilty at first. I get it. You will worry people will think you're selfish or uncaring. But don't care about that. Because nobody actually cares about that. And after that, deep down, you will feel proud for saying no to certain things. Proud that you finally living in a way that is true to yourself. And something amazing happens when you start protecting your time and your value. You show others how to treat you. This is very important. When you prioritize yourself, that's how others will think about you. When you lose yourself, that is also how others will think about you. If you start saying no, you're prioritizing yourself. And also, people will treat you like that. People respect boundaries when you set them with kindness and clarity. They realize you care, but you also value your own life. You have one life, one mind, and one clock that's always ticking. So don't give away those precious hours to things that don't light you up or help you grow. Be bold, be kind, be strategic. Say yes to what matters, only what matters. And say a big no to what drains you, a big no. Protect your time like it's gold, because it is gold. Stand in your power, live with intention, and remember you're not selfish for choosing yourself. You're brave enough. And let's start today, right now. Your time is your power.